If you're tired of looking at your out-of-date bathroom, or if you need an ensuite or shower room, come to Plumbing Plus, your domestic and commercial plumbing specialists. Our wide range of services include wall tiling, floor tiling, electrics, plastering, carpentry, building and more. Whether it's a contemporary, classic, traditional or designer look that you want, we will strive to achieve it. We will take the time to search for the most cost-effective way to create your desired bathroom. Book your free consultation and estimate today.